Hello, I'm Rebecca Hone, a UK Immigration Associate at Clark's Legal. Having worked in UK immigration for many years, I have seen the many mistakes businesses have made when hiring or sponsoring migrant workers. In most cases, employers just do not know the financial and commercial consequences of failing to comply with the UK's strict right-to-work legislation. Although employing migrant workers may seem daunting, the process is manageable if you have the right information and resources to assist you. To help you avoid these mistakes, I've put together a list of the most common errors businesses make when hiring non-settled workers. Firstly, following Brexit, many UK businesses are unaware that EEA nationals no longer have the right to work in the UK, even if this is for a short period of time. If your business has a linked entity in a different country, their EEA employees are not permitted to work in the UK, even if they can enter the UK via the passport e-gates at the UK border. Secondly, sponsor license holders fail to comply with their various sponsorship duties. As a sponsor, you must ensure that sponsored workers have the required skills, experience, and qualifications required for their role. This includes keeping copies of the relevant certificates or documents to prove this. You must notify UKVI if a sponsored worker is in breach of the conditions of their visa. This includes if the worker stops going to work or resigns. You must make sure that a sponsored worker's details are up to date on the license and keep a detailed record of their attendance. You must also ensure your key personnel and supporting HR staff receive regular training on the many sponsorship duties. You must also monitor the allocation of certificates of sponsorship on your license to avoid there being an insufficient allocation when you intend to sponsor a new worker. You must regularly review your license online to ensure that all details are correct and up to date. It's also recommended to diarize visa expiry dates for sponsored workers and liaise with them to ensure they are submitting any required extension applications before their visas expire. If a sponsor does not comply with their duties and responsibilities, there are a number of consequences depending on the severity of the non-compliance. These vary from reducing the allocation of certificates of sponsorship, suspending a license with an action plan to have that license reinstated, or complete revocation of a license, which will result in the sponsored workers having to leave the UK if they cannot switch to a different type of visa allowing them to work for you. So how can we help you? We can support your business with all aspects of setting up and maintaining your sponsor license. Our UK immigration team provides a comprehensive approach, preparing the entire license application, taking into account the commercial considerations for your business. If you are interested in obtaining a UK sponsor license, please fill out our short questionnaire below to help us understand your requirements. We will also send you a free fact sheet with further information.